Welcome to more adventures of my Norton Commando. I've taken the head apart and we'll take a look at the valve guides. We'll start here on the intake side. See, there is definitely some play in the valve guide and valve. Here's the other cylinder. Similar amount of play here. As we look at this exhaust valve, you can see some scoring, probably seized at some point. And the exhaust valve won't even go into the valve guide. I tried cleaning it a little bit, but had no effect. Here's the other exhaust valve. Much better, but still a little bit of play. We are looking at the valve seats. We'll have to see if they need to be replaced. Perhaps in a light lapping might get away with it, but probably not.